Hey all, this is just a quick video on how to find old or deleted Android games. You might miss a game that you used to play but you can't find anymore. The developers brought it down. I have 4 recommendations. First being mob.org. It's a Russian website. You can easily translate it to English. I've set it to do that by default here. Android games. Let's say, for example, Apocalypse Nights. It's a game I thought had potential but was taken down by the developers for hacking or whatever. Scroll down. Downloaded APK. It's as simple as that. But you'll find here that it says downloaded APK, but it's actually XAPK. If you look at the notification, the extension is XAPK. Android cannot deal with that file by default, but I've made another video detailing how to install XAPKs very easily. Second recommendation is APK Pure. It's a website and an application, but it can often force you to download the application to install your game. Apocalypse Nights, search it. There is a very helpful thing also with APK Pure is that you can find older versions of a game that's already available. If a game is already available on Google Play, but for some reason you want an older version, here you can find there are older versions of the game, which is something that you cannot access on Google Play naturally. Right. Another one is, and the third recommendation is Aptoide. It's very similar to APK Pure. It's also a website and an application. It doesn't often force you to download the application though. Here, Aptoide works the same way as APK Pure, but it doesn't actually have Apocalypse Nights, right? But it's also a website that you can often find helpful, and it does not, in my knowledge anyway, contain any suspicious applications. Unlike ForShared, which is the fourth recommendation. Now, ForShared has tons of useful shit, but you can often find, when it comes to apps, you can find fake apps. For example, if we search here for League of Stickman, right, you'll find, let's say, the first application, see here, is 46 megabytes, right? That's the actual application, right? So that's not fake. But if you scroll down a little bit to, let's say, this one, you'll find that the size is 2.4 megabytes, which is impossible to be the actual size of the game. You can easily notice then that this one is a fake. You'll just open it and it'll be a bunch of ads, right? So you gotta be a little smart using ForShared. But it does have a lot of useful things, especially other than apps. I mean, it has videos, it has files, zip files of things you might not find elsewhere, right? And that's really it for the video. I hope you'll find this helpful.